Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply perspective text on the wall in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into use of text tool, vanishing point under filter, using plane tool, and using transform under vanishing point. So let's get started. So here in our document, I got here an image of this man posing on the wall. And our goal here is to apply a perspective text on this side of this wall. Alright, so the first step we're gonna do is we're going to create a text layer. So to do that, going on to the toolbar, find on this T symbol, or this one is the text tool, click on it, and then let's click on our canvas to create the text that we want to apply. So as you see, it's so small, so I'm going to write the word street, for example. Okay, right, so to make that big, I'm going to select on that layer of the text layer, press Ctrl plus T to make it big, and then I'm going to increase the size like this. All right, now that's good. So I'm going to hit enter. So I'm good with the font and I'm good with the color. So I set the color. I'm going to select on this layer, and then we're going to rasterize this. So to do that, with that layer selected, right click on it, and then choose rasterize type. And once I click that, it turns into this layer. And then I am going to press Control and click on the thumbnail of this street layer. And there we go. We already have a selection on this text. Now I'm going to create a copy of this. So to do that, all you have to do is to press Control plus C to copy the text. Alright? And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Going back, the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to create another layer. So to do that, going here, I'm going to click this one at the bottom. Click on this, that is add a layer. And then I'm going to hide the street layer. And then press Ctrl plus D to deselect that. And now, with this layer selected, I am going to the menu bar, find on filter, and then choose on vanishing point. Once I click that, this will appear. I'm going to hit create plane tool. Once I click that, I'm going to create a point from here to here, and here, and here. Alright, so once I click that, so you can see it's something like I created a grid line. It's in this kind of form. Alright, now after this, I'm going to press Ctrl plus V to paste our text, the street word. And then I'm going to click and drag it on the grid. And once I drag it there, it blends on the wall. Seemingly, it sticks on it. And you will also notice that the text is a bit big. To lessen the size, we can go here at the transformation tool here on the side. So I'm going to click that, or T for the shortcut key. And then I'm going to drag this one and find the point here on the top left corner, and then drag it in to decrease the size. Okay, there are. So also on top, I think it's too tall, so I'm going to drag this one down like this. All right, and then drag this one in like this. So I'm going to move that forward and then make it longer to this. Okay, and then once all set, hit OK. All right, so we already created this wall, but it seems it doesn't seem realistic. Okay, so the last thing here that we're gonna do here is we're going to double click on that layer, this layer. All right, and then for underlying layer, I'm going to drag this shadow. Look at the changes on our text on the wall when I started dragging this. Okay, so I'm going to press Alt and hold it and click and drag on the other half of the shadow slider. So if I drag it there, So you see that it's trying to blend on the color of that wall. See? Okay, and also from the white or the highlight slider, I'm going to move this one here and then press Alt, hold it, and then click on the other half to blend it on the light color. And there you have it. Now I'm good with this, and once all set, don't forget to hit OK. And there you go. So this one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to apply perspective text on the wall in Photoshop.